All right, let's do this. I'm going to show you the green screen effect in TikTok. Click on the plus when you're inside of TikTok, and up it comes. I am going to select the 10-minute video. This might change. They might get rid of that altogether. But anyways, right now, just click on a way to make a video. Now, on the left, you're going to see the green screen effect because I had just used it. I'm going to click on it again. Up pops a menu. Along this menu, you are going to see the green screen? I'm going to click on that, click on it, tap it with my finger, and then I'm going to drag my finger along and I can see all the different green screen effects that are available to us. So I'm going to go back up, choose this one, okay? Now, across the top, you're also going to see photos. These are the photos that I currently have in my phone. So any photos that you have in your phone, you can apply to the green screen. I'm going to choose this little cake, okay? And that is it. It's really not hard. Follow that. If you have any questions, though, just drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I really hope that helps.